Today I am going to be showing you how to delete a pet in Widgetable applications. Deleting an app in Widgetable application is a pretty easy thing to do, so let's get started. First, open the Widgetable application in your mobile phone. Then click on the pets option given above. Now click on the three dots button and then click on the inactivate option and then click on the confirm button. It will inactivate your pet. You can wake up and activate your pet anytime by just clicking on the wake it up button. Widgetable application does not provide a straightforward option to delete a pet. This may be a limitation that frustrates some users. Currently, there is no way to delete a pet in Widgetable application. You can only inactivate the pet in Widgetable application by following the steps.